rest them on the stand, and then we'll go from here. So you always start off at the front of the hoof and you work way back around. So once again, there's a little bit of bruising there. That's pretty normal. If he had black hooves, you'd never see it, but it's not a problem. It's just not. I can tell you why. It's not in a place where it's going to do any damage. I still have my knee's still trapped behind his foot, so if he tries to kick back, all he's going to do is just run into my leg. And there's no power in the hoof at this stage here. Where the dangerous part of it is when it's fully extended out the back. That's that one done. And the lucky last. Once again, pick it all out. So I'm just trimming that bar. That bar is starting to lay over a wee bit, so we're just going to take that off. That's about right. So there's a bit of loose stuff on his frog, so we'll just get rid of that. So that here was pretty much right. Just make sure it's flat, and then this one here, we'll just take down a little bit more. And then we'll start putting our 45 degree on. And then just bring the Mustang roll into play. Once again, my leg's stuck behind in here, so when he goes back like that, I can just step out of the way. Okay, so it's really crucial when you're working with horses. If something goes wrong, even if you finish doing what you're doing, go back to the position you were before the actual incident happened. Spend a few more minutes just doing that, and then you choose to release the foot. The horse doesn't choose to release the foot. Okay, so bring it forward. Okay, once again. And that's that one done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is just finish off that trim. Once again onto here, so we're just going to make sure that's all nice and smooth. And we're just going to check our balance once again. And that looks pretty good. And that's finished.